Welcome to AeroHub, an exciting new development in Evendale, Ohio. Situated next to the world headquarters of GE Aviation, AeroHub is a planned innovation district bringing together companies specializing in advanced manufacturing, additive technology, R&D, engineering, and other synergistic industries. Fueled by business-friendly partners, including Ready Cincinnati, HCDC, and the Village of Evendale, this collaboration allows for rapid business growth and expansion through accelerated access to economic development tools, enabling efficient and affordable industrial innovation. AeroHub is located in the heart of the federally designated Southwest Ohio aerospace region, with immediate access to approximately 50,000 engineers and scientists within a 50-mile radius. Over 400 industry-related companies call Southwest Ohio home. AeroHub is a short distance from many potential partners, suppliers, and customers, including GE Aviation, Makino, Siemens, AK Steel, and Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. The epicenter of AeroHub will include an advanced manufacturing innovation center with exclusive access to low-cost employee upskilling and training, utilizing the most cutting-edge technology in the world today. TechSolve, a leader in manufacturing and technology solutions, will manage the Innovation Center in partnership with Cincinnati State Workforce Development and Butler Tech. Partnering with world-class manufacturers, the center will be available for product research, testing, and prototyping. AeroHub businesses will directly benefit from public and private investments being made right now in Evendale. The Ohio Department of Transportation will spend up to $97 million on I-75 improvements, with the Village of Evendale contributing an additional $4 million towards I-75 bridge and landscape enhancements. GE Aviation, the world's largest manufacturer of jet engines, continues to thrive with $160 billion in contracted new business for the next decade. AeroHub's master plan streamlines development review and permit processes, making it easy for businesses to grow and expand. The Village of Evendale does not assess a property tax, and its income tax is one of the lowest in Hamilton County. 9 Fortune 500 companies and more than 450 foreign-owned firms call Southwest Ohio home. AeroHub is located near 3 world headquarters, along with several fast-growing manufacturing and technology companies. The region around AeroHub is recognized as a hotbed for entrepreneurial growth. According to Site Selection magazine, Cincinnati is one of the world's top 5 competitive cities. KPMG ranked this region as the most cost-friendly business location among large U.S. cities, and Smart Asset named Cincinnati as one of the best cities for new college grads. Evendale offers an outstanding array of amenities, including an award-winning recreation center, cultural arts center, and the Gorman Heritage Farm. AeroHub is just minutes from 3 major interstate systems. Within a 2-hour drive, there are 5 international airports, 29 universities and colleges, world-renowned museums, cultural institutions, professional sports franchises, event centers, entertainment districts, plus hundreds of quality parks and restaurants. Let the Village of Evendale help launch your business to new horizons as AeroHub takes flight into the future of advanced manufacturing. Village officials are readily available to assist you on your journey to success.